I'm gonna start a new project. Let's amp it up! Oh god, I see dots. Lots and lots of dots. I'm gonna make some ultralight knives. The last one I made was 25 grams, which is very light for a knife. This one, I think will end up weighing maybe a little bit more, and I'll be pretty much doing stock removals. I'm gonna anneal them though. Anneal, harden, temper, the whole shebang. It's going to be perforated with different holes so that it is as light as possible. What do you need a knife for? Cut and rope? Open up your package of hot dogs? Defending yourself from a bear? Maybe. Ultralight knife? Perfect for hikers, campers, but mostly hikers. But let's get the show going, and oh yeah, let me show you the material I'll be using. All right. So this is what I will be constructing a few of these knives out of. So that I can add some thermal mass to the small pieces of steel so that it'll slowly cool down, and that is called annealing.
It's time for a break.
Did you bury your hot steel, darling?
I'm annealing
I
it.
like when you anneal it.
It makes it easier to drill into. Sure takes time though.
pretty stoked on these. They're looking good. Before I just had the holes to grip onto. Now you can actually grip on with the file work on the back, which is fantastic. I've got 6 blades. 5 of them are done. 1 is not. This is going to be my test knife for snapping. The holes didn't line up nicely anyways. This is a new mill blade that I haven't used, so I will test it just so I know. I want to know if it's going to be good or not. So I'm going to be heating it up, doing a round of thermal cycling. I think I'll do 2 rounds. Why not? It doesn't take long. So I'll thermal cycle them twice, and then snap test to make sure that the grain is fine. If the grain is too coarse, like sand or salt, then what happens is that you end up with a brittle knife. So let's get to it. Yeah. If you watch the beginning of the video, you can see me filing through it. That's carbon steel. That's what happens. It gets hard. Beautiful. Let's go right there. This will just pop. Yeah. Pretty damn good. It's got a nice smooth structure. The smoother the better. Sometimes you can get it where it just looks like a white paste almost. Right now it's almost there. I'm content with that. That's pretty awesome. Alright guys, these guys are done, the bevels are in, they're buffed out, it's sanded, it's all that stuff. They're sharpened. And of course, they have been tempered, so they are long lasting and strong. One thing that I've built into this is that the holes not only lighten the weight, but they also give really great points for friction. They lock into your fingers, and there's lots of holes so you can lock in at different points. And sharp. I'm using this underwear shaped piece of paper to show you guys how sharp it is. Let's get this in the screen. Oh, pour the paper there, but you get the idea. It is sharp. Voila. And I'm just going to do one of these guys because it looks good when I reflect it onto the... Oh, there we are. See that? Oh, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Try to work it, baby. Finger with the jimping. It actually holds in really well, so you could use this for really sharpening a piece of wood. Let's sharpen a piece of wood. I found a piece of dowel. I can lock in, really get at it and put pressure behind the blade and not worry about it flying out of my hands. Oh, you can't see this. Because really, if you're going to cook a hot dog, holding it on the fire doesn't work well. You want to be able to put your hot dog on a stick, and you need some way to sharpen up that stick, obviously. So if you like hot dogs, you're gonna need one of these guys. Ooh. Oh yes. Ooh. All right. I think this is me tuning out. I'm gonna keep the glasses on because it makes my ears stick out even more. Woo! Alright, cut, let's roll. I don't like it. I've got 5 of these blades done. Alright guys, a little bit tighter.